Coming to introduction, rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic autoimmune inflammatory systemic disease that is characterized by significant inflammation of synovial membranes of joints causing cartilage and bone destruction, leading to joint deformities and functional limitation. It affects about 0.8% of general population. It is a systemic disease with a variety of extra-articular manifestations such as pericarditis, pleuritis, vasculitis, Felty syndrome, neuropathy, ocular manifestation, glomerulonephritis, which is seen in 30 to 40% of cases. Ocular manifestations seen in rheumatoid arthritis patient are keratoconjunctivitis sicca, episcleritis, scleritis, corneal changes, retinal vasculitis, and secondary glaucoma. My aim of the study is to study the prevalence of ocular manifestation in patients with rheumatoid arthritis and find out the ocular complication of the routine drug therapy followed to treat RA. It is a prospective study design done between September 2018 to November 2019 at MKCG Medical College, Odisha. And the patients of rheumatoid arthritis attending ophthalmology or OPD for evaluation of ocular diseases were included in my study. And the exclusion criteria includes patient with juvenile rheumatoid arthritis, dry eye due to other causes like Stevens-Johnson, ocular pemphigoid, and chemical injuries. The patients with uveitis, scleritis, glaucoma due to causes other than rheumatoid arthritis. The demographic details of the patient were recorded. In all cases, a detailed history pertaining to the duration of the rheumatoid arthritis, systemic manifestation of rheumatoid arthritis, drug use and duration of the treatment, family history, symptoms pertaining to ocular manifestation are sought. General and specific rheumatological examination is done and the disease activity score 28 is calculated. In ocular examination, it includes the best corrective visual acuity, testing for color vision, Amsler grade, detailed slit lamp examination and fundus examination, refraction, IOP measurement, and test for dry eye. The tests for dry eye include tear breakup time, Marshall-Surmer test, and vital staining using Rose-Bengal and were performed in the same order. In my results, it includes 100 cases of rheumatoid arthritis, where the most common age group is between the 41 to 50 years of age. In gender distribution, it shows 85% were female and 15% were male. The family history shows that only 4% had a positive family history. The distribution of rheumatoid factor, where rheumatoid factor was positive in 60 patients and negative in 40 patients. The drug history, the following drugs were used either singly or in combination. The drugs used are NSAID, which is seen in 98 cases, steroid 42, and others are chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine, methotrexate, sulfasalazine, leflunomide, and biological agents like rituximab. The ocular manifestation of rheumatoid arthritis were seen in 52 patients, in which 62% were having asymptomatic dry eye, which were detected by dry eye evaluation test, and in 38%, the patient were symptomatic and the burning sensation was the main complaint. The other ocular manifestation are scleritis, episcleritis, iridocyclitis, and secondary glaucoma. The ocular complication associated with systemic treatment, that is steroid toxicity in the form of PSC, was seen in 5 out of 42 patients treated with oral steroid. The chloroquine was used in 6 patients, out of which 1 developed cornea verticillata and another patient developed pigmentary retinopathy. Hydroxychloroquine was used in 61 patients, out of which 2 patients had early pigmentary retinopathy. Now coming into the discussion, the study includes 100 cases and the current study mean age of patient was 47.38 plus minus 11.93 years. Female male ratio was found to be 5.66:1. In the present study, the incidence of ocular manifestation was found to be 52%, and the most common ocular manifestation was dry eye. The drugs commonly associated with ocular complication were included were corticosteroid, chloroquine, and hydroxychloroquine. The complications were PSC, cornea verticillata, and pigmentary retinopathy. To conclude, the extra-articular involvement of the organ in RA is significant, and the ocular manifestation involved with RA are keratoconjunctivitis sicca, episcleritis, scleritis, corneal changes, and retinal vasculitis. This complication is also associated with systemic treatment of RA are well known. Thus, a regular ophthalmological evaluation should be done in all patients, even though they are asymptomatic, to ensure early identification of ocular involvement. Thank you.